Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha and today I'll be sharing with you what I have in my makeup box. The first thing I want to do is actually show you the makeup box that I have. It's pretty large. This is actually a jewelry box, but I don't use it for jewelry. I put my makeup inside. It's got two compartments. The top one, which has a glass top, and you can open it and it fits quite a lot of things inside. The bottom compartment, which is like a little drawer that comes completely out if you want to. This is kind of like the what I have in my bag videos. I haven't done one of those, so if you would like me to do one of those, please just leave a comment and say, show us what's in your bag. I'm going to show you a few things that are popping out to me first, and these are kind of mostly tools rather than makeup. I've always got a tweezer with me, and also I have a little scissors. I use these tools to trim eyebrows. This is an epilady. For those who don't know what it is, it's actually a hair removal device. That's what it sounds like. It comes with a little brush. It's rechargeable, so every time the battery runs out, you can just recharge it and you can take it with you wherever. I do have a comb in my makeup bag. I've got this and this. These are actually, when you buy store-bought hair color, this is the conditioning mask that's usually inside the pack. Usually when I dye my hair, I buy 2 packets of dye. When I actually wash my hair, I use one at a time and always keep the extra one in this makeup bag for the next time I would like to give my hair treatment. Also, again, not yet makeup, but I've got my perfumes and fragrances. These are the two I'm using for quite a while. I've been using this one here since I was a teenager. It's the Red Jeans from Versace. This one here is the BU Absolute Me fragrance. I usually buy the BU fragrance along with the body spray. So I keep the body spray in my handbag and I keep the perfume in my makeup bag. La Vie est Belle Lancôme Paris. This is a body lotion, rose petal luxury hand cream. I have this kit inside and it's the Natural Nudes Eye Colored Palette. So I've got this palette inside and it starts from light and goes all the way to the dark colors. So you can do like a perfect smoky eye with this. I really like the brush that was in this and I use it all the time. On the one side you have the brittle brush, and then on the other side it's like that spongy brushy thing that they use. I don't know what it's called. I've got a BB cream and a CC cream. So these are tinted creams. What I like to do when I'm not using foundation is I use the lighter one, which is the color that's closest to my tone, all over my face. So, and then I use the darker color in order to give it some depth and contour. The one is from Biotin and the other one is from Garnier. Something else I do have, a blush kit. This one is called Sun Kissed. As again, it's in natural brown tones and colors. These are big pearl blush. It does have the sponge that you can just swirl around in and use it with the sponge, so that's one option. And then I also use my brush. So this is my blush brush. So I've got a powder kit for my face. This one is from Art Deco. It has SPF 30, which is really great. I suggest that when you're buying products for your face, always to choose products that have SPF inside. The last thing that was inside this compartment of my makeup box is this little eyeshadow, which I haven't used in a long time because it was probably hidden underneath all the rest of the stuff, and it's called Golden Cyber Shadow. This is actually a little bit of a copper golden color. The top layer of the box. The first thing that pops out to me are these two creams. They're the same. One seems to be finishing and this one feels full. So this is my hydrating cream. It has 10% urea cream inside of it and it's for very dry skin. Today I'm wearing red lipstick. So this is the one I'm wearing today. It's from Max Factor. It's probably the easiest one to apply. I don't use a brush to apply it. I just kind of dab it on my lips, and it's the number 19, and the color is the color Flame. A few more lipsticks that I see I got in here are these two. The first one is 36 Matte Rose. It's, you know, just the classic lipstick type. So it's easy to apply. I just go swish swish, and then I feel my lips much softer afterwards. Now the second one is, color is number 12, and it's called Berry Passion. It kind of looks like a purplish color. I bought this lip pencil. I thought it would be nice to combine it with the matte rose color, because this one's also a rose color, and it's called Lady Rose. It's the number 5 lip pencil, and it just feels like while you have it on your lips are softer and they're hydrated. All of these are from the brand CN, and I haven't seen them sold anywhere else but in the little supermarkets. This is the very fiery red lip gloss, and as a color it's quite cool. This one is my favorite color ever, and it is from the brand 17. It's the number 08. It's just a matte lipstick, and it has SPF 15, one of the more natural earthy brownish earth colors. This is one of my favorite products ever. It's the Revlon Matte Balm. It's something between dark pink and maybe purple. It's the number 260. You can just apply it directly onto your lips. This color, can you see it? This one is one of the liquid lipsticks. I add this to my lips, and when it dries, it's just a matte lipstick. It's from EGOT. These are very good as well. I mean, if you do like the matte lipstick, this is something I would recommend. This actually does stay on forever. You can eat, you can drink, and it just goes on for days. If you do sleep in your makeup for some reason, and you will wake up with this on your lips the next day for sure. It's the number 26. It has a pinkish tint to it, so it's this one over here. It will stay on for almost ever. The last lipstick I see in here is this one. It's a very soft, natural, everyday color. I think it just brings out the natural color of my lip. It actually says L07. I don't know how to say it. It's UNE. So it's UNE Natural Beauty. The next thing I'm going to pull out is my actual foundation and my concealer. These are both from MAC. I do like these very much. These are both waterproof products. I have 3 different types of mascara in here. The one I'm using the most these days is the Maybelline New York one. It's called the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. These are all black. Yeah, I do have a couple of brushes. If I'm going to use brushes, I'm going to use this one here. I do use this quite often. And then this one is like a slanted one, which gives like thin lines, and I use this one as well. So these are the only brushes I usually use, and then I just use my fingers for the rest. We're almost done, but there are a few eyeshadow kits in here. So I really like these colors. These are blue colors, and then it has this nice, like, it's something between a champagne brown. So I have this one, which is pinks and purples, and it has the silver combination, brown, golds, and more earthy color. And then I do have this one as well, which are a combination of greens. It's here again, more bronzy colors. I told you these are my favorite palette colors, so I just have quite a few of these. What I use a lot, this small kit here, this is actually an eyebrow kit, and I use this as eyeshadow, as an eyebrow kit, and also as eyeliner. I use the very dark matte black color. Just use it and make the line. If I don't use eyeliner, this is what I use. I do although have a pencil eyeliner in here. It's almost brand new because obviously I don't use it, but if I do decide to use this, I use it for the inner of the eyelid, or what you call this area. The bottom or the top is again from MAC. This is a green pencil. It was my sister's and I liked it and she gave it to me. And it's called Soft Eyeliner Waterproof. This is number 21 and it's actually green. This little thing is Gino Macrae Heritage. On the one side it's got like a brush. It almost looks like a mascara brush. And on the other side it has the pencil which you can line and draw on your eyebrows. But I kind of use the brush on a daily basis. I also have from Red Earth. This is actually glitter for your eyes. It kind of reminds me of snow because it's white glitter and then it just shines like pearly colors inside of the white. Then I've got this. It's a very small hand cream. It's also a urea cream. This is from Old Boss Med for dry skin. This is actually a tester and I haven't tested it yet. Also, I have two little hair ties. You know, I've got another one on my hand, so let's make those three. I've got 3 hair ties in here. I have 1 bobby pin. It's actually surprising that I don't have more. I usually find bobby pins lying around everywhere. So this is the end of this video. I have emptied out my makeup bag box for you. It's now empty. I will need to put everything back inside, but thank you very much for watching. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up.